your pilot speaking. Welcome aboard Barbie Airlines. 3, 2, 1, up, up, up we go! You know it's time to fly. So through the clouds, way up in the sky. Traveling with friends, the fun never ends. Going somewhere new. Won't you come to? Time to fly. We're almost there. Coming down for a landing. Thank you for flying Barbie Airlines. We hope you enjoy your trip.